Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new video doing the ABC challenge, and today we are tackling N for notebook, nature, neutral, narrow. Did I find anything else? Newspaper and napkin. That's it. I'm definitely thinking nature, so we're going to be working on my botanical lab book, which is for the 100 days project. And I was thinking I have these leftovers from making something else, and I have this, which is paper that I made. I actually made it. Took me a while and a few tries, and this is one of the first tries, if you can believe it. So I was thinking we could make a mini nature notebook right here. So I'm going to figure out where to cut here, and maybe just a bit bigger right here. And then my phone died. I kid you not, I was talking for like an hour and making this like by myself. My phone was not even videotaping the process, and I finished it. So it's here. It's lovely. I really like it. It's just so pretty. It's a little notebook that I bookbinded with a Japanese stitch, and I just really like it. So I thought, well, we have to do it again. So it can be in this journal. This is my botanical journal. So I'm thinking we could put it in my ornithology journal, which is quite plain yet. And I'm thinking we could put something here because this is quite busy with my marbled paper. So we could add it like right here. And I think it would look really nice. Okay, so the first step is to check the size that we want. So we need a pencil. I'm going to put it about this size here. Now that this is the size, we need to decide where we want our book cover to be. I think something like this would be quite nice. And I do like the fact that it looks quite raw. So I'm just going to do it like this instead of just cutting it straight. Oh no! Well, I can just glue it back. It's okay. Oh no. I feel like everything is going wrong with this project. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but this is some paper I made. Pretty proud of that. I should probably make some more, I think. It looks really nice. Okay, then, since this is a Japanese stitch, I'm just going to write my lines. So I want it to be quite close to the edge, my Japanese stitching. So I'm going to do 1/2 centimeter line over here. And then this is 1/2 centimeter line. Again, here and here. And then how did I do it in the front one? Yeah, so I just did over 2 centimeters. Okay, then we need to make the holes, and we must not forget to add this. And I want it to be on this side. Yep, something like this. Then we make our little holes. And now we're going to stitch. For that, I am going to grab some thread. I'm not sure that this is enough. I don't think so. I'm just going to do it 3 times. Should be enough. Grab a needle. The Japanese stitching is pretty simple. I don't want my thread to be visible, so I'm just gonna start from the back. Then you just go back. Now I'm going to go to this little hole, if I can find it. There. Go around again. Do this one now. And now all we need to do is do exactly the same thing on the other side. Oops. There, then we go underneath these. And we attach it with this remaining thread. There. That's it. Done. So it's a really simple process. I really quite like Japanese book binding, although it does have some disadvantages, like the fact that you can't open it fully, for instance. But it's quite cool. It's very pretty. And then maybe we can decorate it with some labels. I think I'm just gonna go with this one. I don't want it to be too busy because I really like the paper at the back. Then I'm going to use the tacky glue, quite thick, so it goes into all the crevices of the paper. And I think we are doing quite well. I thought we could do a little bit of decorating. I did have some stickers for the plants. I don't have stickers with birds, but I did get these little stamps. And there are a couple of birds. I don't want to put the one in the cage, but we can put the other ones. Maybe we could put them in brown so that it doesn't look too like modern in a way. I'm just going to put them like this. Oh, it looks so nice. And maybe the owl. The owl is very pretty. It's not stuck right. It's okay. This is really pretty. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to stop here. So it's a very short video, I guess. It's very, very cute. I really like it. I think it looks beautiful and I can't wait to add it onto my journal. Let's make sure that this glues properly. Okay, well, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos. It really helps out my channel. You can also share all these videos with other people if you like in Facebook groups, for instance. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'm really, really excited about. It's a one-page wonder. So one-page wonder. I have no idea about over the page and organizer. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Bye!